What up, guys? It's your boy, Mr. Gentleman T himself. Welcome to Everyday FXT. Welcome to a new week, guys. Let's get this money. I told you guys that these weeks won't be the same. The week before that one had a very a negative week, but last week we have a very profitable week. Some people ate with me and some couldn't eat. You know why? Because you didn't tell them that I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. Okay, let's just dive straight into it, guys. Um, Let me just go straight into one day. This is where we at. This is where we at. As you can see, I've been busy with the pairs since Friday night, Saturday, and Sunday, and right now it's already 12 o'clock, which is Monday. Okay, guys. So this is where we at, guys. This is where we at. Market is ranging is moving correctively in this trend line, in this channel right here, creating the higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Next thing is we're breaking the previous higher highs. Boom. Breaking the previous higher highs. Boom. Breaking the previous higher highs. Boom. And we haven't been breaking the previous lower lows. So it's nice. It's nice. It is nice. It is nice. It is nice, guys. It is nice. Okay. So the market now is in this area, and what I like is that the market when it closed nice and beautifully here, it gave us an engulfing and then shot all the way to the downside, test this area and then corrected and then touched the gave us the first, second, and gave us a third touch with the double bottom, shot all the way to the upside, and then gave us a nice bullish an engulfing pair there, closed with an engulfing, which was nice because now we know that the market is ready to shoot all the way to the side, which it eventually did. Let's go deep into it, and you can see that already I've marked everything, guys, because I don't really want to go back again, do this, do that, and just start straight into one edge. Okay, guys, I know that the last time I gave you this right here, I gave you guys this and said, so what I anticipated is that the market in C came in strong and rejected at this area, came back and created the first touch, the first support, and then came back second resistance, first resistance, second resistance, first support, second support. So the market gave us a strong zone in here. So this zone here, it was respected until this bearish candle. So what I saw here was boom, first shoulder, boom, second head, and when we got here and rejected exactly at the same zone as the first shoulder, anticipating the market to give us a second shoulder, and then we know going all the way to the downside. When it closed below, we enter on the 1 H time frame and boom, all the way to the catch it all the way down. We don't look back. And right now, guys, already the market is giving me something I looked at already. Oh, this is nice. So let me zoom into it. We can see now that the market, what it did instead, for people I gave an analysis to, I don't want to say analysis to buy when the market broke above, they probably ate and hit the first TP, which was exactly here, the rejection of this candle right here. First TP, this was the second TP. You must have ate here, adjusted your stop loss maybe here or here, and then came up with the profits. And the market from there, it shot all the way downside, broke this figure of the shoulder, broke it, came back to retest it with an engulfing, and then now it's continuing all to the way downside. On its way to the downside, it's creating shoot to the downside, correct, shoot to the downside, nice correction. Now it's shooting to the side. It's had to break this zone right here, which I've marked already, and you can see the entry point exactly where it is. So if it closes below, we we, we, we we wait for the 1 hour to close below. If it does, we can sell all the way here, or you can wait for it to break below, come back to retest, and then catch it all to the outside, to the downside. It's easy, guys, especially when you go down to 15-minute time frame. A 15-minute time frame. So in the 15-minute, it gave us a channel and a rejecting candle. So now the pair, you can see, can really see, guys. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, let's go down to GBPUSD. Very, very, very nice pair as well. Okay, the whole movement of the pair is to the downside. You can tell, you can see all that. So let me waste any let me not waste any time for you guys. And you can see the markets being higher lows, lower highs, higher lows, lower higher lows, lower lows, higher lows, lower lows, higher lows, and lower lows. Right now the market is at this area. So down to 4 hour. I did say to you guys that I respect the trend line so much that I couldn't enter this trade, catch it to the upside right here, because I wanted it to come exactly here. But if you saw on my previous pair, I did give us guys inner and outer trend lines. You can see that I gave on USDJPY. Go back to USDJPY and you'll see I gave two trend lines. So this could be our second trend line. But even our second trend line doesn't touch, so I mean, boom, it is right there. The market touched it and shooting all the way down. So there is something I don't like. I didn't enter because of that. So let me go down. Let me just get right into the business. So the market shot all the way to the downside. That's correct. The market might be correcting. The market might be correcting and not exactly going to the upside. Because I don't. Because really, I don't see the nicest way to the closing of this candle. The market might be correcting. It might be a strong correction to the upside, but then maybe, but because it broke above this area and this other candle is breaking above this area, it might tell us that it is going to the upside. But then, it's how the markets are, guys. Okay, so you can see it's a crocodile trend line. There's a crocodile mouth. It's opened. This is, so guys, down, 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 down. Okay, see the market has been going to the upside from there. Didn't really close below the previous highs, the lower highs. Now it's going all the way up to the upside. Okay, the first 15-minute candle broke and closed above this zone. Now we wait to see what this one will do. If it also closes above, we can wait for it to come here, retest, and then watch it. You can enter. Some people might I won't enter. It's too late for me to enter. It's too late for me to enter. Not because really it's too late, but because it's not a pair I was really interested in entering like that. I'll probably enter when it gets here. Want to see if it gets here and it breaks this area right here, then I'm convinced I will enter. If it gets there and breaks that area, convinced I'll enter, most definitely. I wanted to break this area here, this area, and close this up, and then I'm ready to enter. Boom, all the way to here. Nice and easy. So let's just wait and see, guys. Okay, so we'll go to our last pay, which is USDCAD. So in USDCAD, guys, we are moving to the upside as well, which is nice and easy. So on USDJPY, we're going to the downside. On USDA, on GBPUSD, we're going to the upside. And so on USDCAD, going to the upside. Ooh, nice. So the market has been ranging on this trend line, hasn't been breaking the lower highs, which is one lower high, two lower high, and maybe the third lower high will be it, and we'll continue to all the way to the upside. Not waste any time. The movement of this, I just want to dive into it. Yeah, just go like I don't like it when Apple is giving me like kiri things. So this is what I'll do. Okay, guys, let me do this. Boom. Okay. Okay. I think this is fair because there are multiple touches. Strictly right here. Multiple touches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. And then in this upper one, this 1, 2, okay. And then I'll confuse people with these. Alright, guys, this is where we at. Market thinks it's too clear, but it's dumb. It's dumb as fuck. This is what I want to see from USDCAD. This is always what I wanted to see on GBPUSD1. Yeah, on GBP and GBPUSD. GBPUSD, yeah. This is what I wanted to see. It came all the GBPUSD is playing exactly like USDCAD. We wanted to get to this trend line right here. This trend line right here. Want it exactly here. And now decided to get here and shoot all to the upside and then come back down. Now it's coming all the way down. We want it to get here for me to buy it. I want to sell. No, I want to buy because the movement is to the upside. We can see by the trend line being. I'll be on a steep. So right now, for some of you guys, you can play a waiting game with me, but for others, okay, for others, this is how it plays out. This is how it has been playing out. Okay. Boom, 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 exactly right there. And then not to forget that we have something right here, which we already broke from. Which is nice and simple. Nice and simple. It's moving nicely. I won't lie. The pair is moving nicely. So we look looking at, fix this. Boom, exactly, perfect. So the market is now below this lower time frame channel. It's now broken below it, but we don't know. It might do exactly this, break below and then come back strong in the zone. So let's just wait for it to get here to this zone, see what happens. So if it gets to this zone right here, okay, I'll just mark this because I want to show you guys something. I'll just mark this, and this is what will happen. It can come back here and then boom, and then come back to retest the trend line, and then boom, all the way to here, and then all the way to here. Retest here first, and then boom, give us a double bottom before it can continue all the way to the upside. Now we buying. So right now, guys, this is where we at. This is where we at with our pair. Let's easily do this. So we can place our entry. Okay. If I say here, then stop will be here. So let me just say here. For those who'd like to enter, we're going to come back up, and then we can enter. Boom. So just wait for it to come here. Wait for it to come here. And then we enter. Boom, all the way to the downside. Okay, guys, that is it for our today's analysis. And I'd like to thank you very guys for watching, listening, and getting the information and seeing the analysis in a way maybe you didn't think you saw it in. So thank you very much, guys, for being there. I appreciate the views more than anything. I care about the likes, commenting, and subscribing. Thank you guys very much, and I'll see you next. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Thank you very much, and signing out. Don't forget to comment, share, subscribe, like. I'm out. Peace.